Have you ever noticed how small moments sometimes teach the biggest lessons? Not the moments we plan for, but the ones that happen by accident. This is the story of one such moment, a simple bus ride, and one empty seat. Every morning, Ravi took the same bus to work. Same route, same crowded stop, same tired faces. He was always in a hurry, always thinking about work, deadlines, and money. His life felt like it was moving fast, but going nowhere. One morning, the bus was more crowded than usual. People were standing shoulder to shoulder, no seats, no space. Ravi stood near the door holding the rail, already frustrated. Then, suddenly, someone got off. One seat became empty, the last seat. Before Ravi could move, an old man stepped toward it. Slow steps, tired eyes. Ravi hesitated, just for a second, and that second changed everything. He sat down, not because he was tired, but because he felt he deserved it. After all, he worked hard. He paid his fare. He was always in a rush. The old man stood beside him, holding the pole, swaying with the bus. Ravi looked away. At the next stop, the bus jerked suddenly. The old man lost balance. Ravi reacted quickly and held his arm. The old man smiled and said, "Thank you, son." That smile stayed with Ravi. The bus moved again. Silence. Then the old man spoke softly. "You know," he said, "I used to travel like this every day too." Ravi nodded politely. The old man continued, "I was always in a hurry, always running, always tired." Pause. "One day," the old man said, "I realized something strange." "What?" Ravi asked. "I was moving fast, but I had forgotten why." Ravi felt something uncomfortable, because the words felt familiar, too familiar. Pause. The old man looked at the empty space in front of them and said, "Life is like this bus. There are very few seats, and everyone is trying to sit first. But sometimes," he smiled, "standing teaches you more than sitting." At the next stop, the old man got off. Before leaving, he looked at Ravi and said, "Don't always rush for the last seat, son. Some lessons are learned only when you slow down." Pause. Ravi stayed seated, but something inside him stood still. For the rest of the ride, he didn't check his phone. He didn't think about work. He just sat, thinking. That day at work, nothing special happened. Same tasks, same people. But Ravi was different. He listened more. He rushed less. He noticed things he had ignored for years. Pause. That evening, on his way back home, Ravi stood on the bus, even when a seat was available. Not because he was tired, but because he remembered. Here's the lesson. Life will always be crowded. Opportunities will always feel limited. And we will always feel in a hurry. But not everything needs to be taken. Not every moment needs to be won. Sometimes, pausing teaches you more than pushing. If you're listening to this right now, and you feel like life is rushing past you, slow down. You might be standing exactly where you need to be. Pause. And remember, the last seat in the bus is not always the best place to sit. If this story made you think, you'll find more simple, meaningful stories here on Mindful Momentum. Stay, listen, and keep moving forward one mindful step at a time.